Let's go! Oh my God, we're here. So this is our room. Hi! Hi po!
Staycation din kayo.
Fishing kayo, kuya? Fishing kayo?
Oh, this is our room, guys. And there's some mirror. You can take pictures here. And then, ate, it's so nice. Ate, it's so nice view. Yeah.
Ganun ang beach, oh.
Yeah, but it's so near lang yung beach. Oh, we're going to beach, guys. Ayan. Oh, ito yung namin yung view. Ayan.
Construction lang din.
Oh, ayan. Ate, wait lang. Kamusta naman po kayo sa biyahe? Ilang oras po yung biyahe nyo?
1 hour. 1 hour lang po yung biyahe namin.
Ayan. Via! Via, come. How is your day? Via, come first. I will interview. Yes? Ayan. Oh, tinan mo, oh. Are you happy?
Yes,
How much?
100% happy.
A percent. How about you, ate? 100% also. Okay. Ayan guys, pupunta kami sa dagat. Pogi ng kuya ko. Tingnan mo. Oh, ang laki na. Oh, ang ganda ng ate ko. Bye guys! Say hi guys.
Hello.
Kuya, harap ka doon. Dito tayo. Dito no. Yan. Via. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
The crab
Yeah. Pakapain na to.
Mom, my soul says no talking.
No smoking. Yeah.
Smoking is not allowed.
Guys, smoking is bad. Never do smoking.
Yeah. Ayan, nandito na tayo. Wow, ang ganda ng view, guys.
Wala yung tandaan dyan.
Ayan. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. I mean, dadaan pala. Pupunta kami sa dagat, pero di namin alam saan yung daan. For the explore, we're gonna explore. Oh. Yes, Bia, are you excited? Oh my God. Really excited?
Yeah.
Like how much?
100.
Oh my God, 100%. How about ate? How about you? Are you excited?
Yeah. Yes, I am.
Oh my God, guys, ang ganda ng view ko dito. So much ganda. Alam mo yun, nakakabusog ng mata, nakakabusog na rin ng nakakabusog na rin ng tawag dito, ng tiyan. Look guys, and the kids, they have playground. Oh, nice. And they have lifeguard also. Also this one. Oh, they have nice swing. They have swing there. Via. No, because we brought broth. That's nice. Ate, you're gonna swim now? Oh, nice. They have nice view. Oh, tingnan mo yung kuya ko. Alam niya yung kung saan siya pupunta. Alam ko yan kung saan pupunta. Maninisid yan ng ng isda. Hey, little one.
Where are you now?
Where are you right now?
We are in the beach.
Where's the beach?
Here.
Point the beach. Point the beach there.
Where? So you want to swim now? You want to swim?
Yes.
Where you sleep?
Oh.
Don't sleep.
Oh, you want to sleep na? Sleep there. You want to sleep? No. Okay. Guys, we're here in, what is this the name, ate? The garden? Ah? Margin Island. Oh.
Shells? Oh. Medyo lang yung sun, hindi fine.
Yeah.
Swim. Swim. It's hot, cold. Really?
Oh, it's cold?
It's lovely though.
Wow.
Sige, doon ka ni Punta ka ni
Saan? Ay, sana all may nag-holding hands dito. Ayan, sana all may pumapag-ibig. Ay,
Sleeper when you go there, so it will not sakit in your feet.
ayan. Ibang lahi pala. Kala ko Pinoy. Mukhang Pinoy lang siya, guys.
Go to ate, go to ate.
Oh, meron din pala tayong mga kabayan dito na nagsistaycation. Ayan.
You want without sleeper?
Guys, look at the view. It's so nice, right? Oh.
Wait, wait.
Tapos pag gusto nyo guys na pag gusto nyo maglakad-lakad, you can walk here. Yan. Pag kasama yung family, kasama yung boyfriend, best friend, friends. Ayan, ang ganda dito guys. Pero hindi kasi ako yung nag-book ng hotel namin. Which is parang, hindi ko alam kung hotel ba siya, pero residential building siya guys. Residential na pwede siyang parang Airbnb like that. Oh. Yan guys, ang ganda ng view, look. Oh, so ay! Ayan. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. Bia, come, look at there. Ang ganda dito guys, ang ganda ng view. Like, oh. Ha? You don't want to swim? Yeah, you can swim here.
Here?
Yeah.
Shore?
Yeah. You can. But careful, okay? Saan? Anong ginawa niya doon? Pwede ba doon? Depende. Puntahan ko nga siya. Ayan. Ayan guys, pupunta muna ako kay kuya. Hanggang bababa talaga siya. Oh. Oh, ite-testing niya kasi yung ano niya pangdawit. Oh, hinihingal na daw siya, pababa pa lang. Paano? Ang bigat-bigat niya. Dumidiwal na yung dila niya, guys. Tingnan mo. Didiwal na. Oh, sige. Sige, push mo yan. Ano, kuya? Kaya pa? Tingnan mo siya. Ayan. Sige, mangisda ka dyan. Pag ikaw nahuli talaga dito mamaya, patay ka dyan. Pero guys, tingnan nyo, ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda ng sunset. So, kailan pa? Guys, tingnan mo. Oh, mag-picture daw muna si ate. Kinuha niya yung ano. Kinuha niya yung nahuli ni kuya. Ayan, oh, pak si kuya. Sige, supportive boyfriend. Sana all! Sana all! Ayan si ate. She's pretty. O, anong gagawin mo dyan? Anong gagawin mo dyan? Ha? Okay na yung isang dawi? Ayan. Sunset. Anong balde? Sana ko bibili ng balde. Ayan yung isda. Bibit-bitin ko dalhin dyan mamaya, kuya.
Hello. Okay, coming.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's so cold. I want to go to the pool.
Where?
I want to go to the pool.
Where's the pool? Upstairs?
Yeah. Look at that.
Okay, go na ate. Want to go na?
Huh?
Go take shower. Want to take shower? Ate, go take shower. Okay guys, we're going to pool. Bia, where are you going again? Hi ate.
May mga restaurant din doon.
Doon. Doon. Tapos dito sa gilid. Powerful. Love.
Do you know when you call love, when two become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. Do you know when you call love, when two become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms, I call home. when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise.
Hindi, literal na may gapas sa labi.
Do you know when it called love, when two become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms. I called home. Do you know when it called love, when two become one? And I felt like a boom in your arms. I called home. It feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like it feels like paradise when your hands are in mine. It feels like paradise when I drown into your eyes. Like a paradise.
Ayan guys. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng morning. Ayan yung kapatid ko. Oh, naglakad-lakad. Habang may bit-bit. Ay, kaya nga eh.
Ang hirap lang kaya pumunta doon.
Oh, dun sa dulo.
Kaso lalaki ng mga bako eh.
Ang ganda dito, no? Tahimik.
Pwede pa tong gawa ng mga business opportunity. Dami pang ilaw.
Oo. Ayan yung dulo. Ang ganda kasi pwede ka ditong umupo, tambay, magmuni-muni, something like that. Tapos yung kapatid mo, ayan, naglalakad. Little house and guys, ito yung view niya pag morning. So ngayon kasi mainit na siya, masakit na sa balat. Oh my God, wala pa pala akong sunscreen. Oh my God, guys. Masusunog talaga ang fest ko today. Ayan, paggabi dito, ang daming shoe mami. I mean, shoe papa pala. Ayan. Saan dito yung may trash can? Saan yung trash can, kuya? This one. Yeah, then we're going to beach. Ah, ang init. Ah! Na-play mo na? Ayan. Ah! Hello guys! Ayan, mag-swing-swing tayo dito. Kahit mainit. Kinaganda mo yan, di ba? Oh. Kaya nga. Ayan. Akyat kami. Hello guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Pacific Building. Nandito sa Rasal Khaimah. Ayan. Grabe, sobrang init na ngayon. Kasi ang ganda ng stair nila dito kasi dream, hope, inspired. Meron silang mga nakalagay by step. Ay, grabe. Napakataas. Napakataas ng hagdan. Pero ang ganda dito ng view. Ayan. Akit na kami kasi nasusunog na kami. Ano sabi mo? Mataba ka na talaga. Talagang mataba ka na.
Pag pumayag yung kumpanya, uuwi ako ng Pilipinas. Mag-work from home ako. Palit kami ni Kevin.
Nina?
Ni Kevin.
May jacuzzi doon sa taas eh. Talaga.
Meron nga gym. Doon ako sa gym.
Meron silang gym. Bia! 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 Come, ha? Tita Kate will interview you. How are you?
Good.
Is it nice to swim there?
Yeah.
How good?
Good. So much good.
Okay.
Mommy, look.
Pogi ng kuya ko, guys. Oh. Namumula na yung tenga.
Mainit na.
Bia. Bia. You want
What?
still to swim? But it's already